Now, whilst I've handled a lot of 964s over the years, over the last 20 years, hundreds and hundreds, this is one of the top tier ones. It's convertible, it's a C2 manual, but it is, although it's looking really good, there's a reason she looks so good. And a reason it is not the cheapest one in the world, because this car has an original 30,000 miles. Dark blue inside, black hood, Channel Islands car. It's irreplaceable. And I love a 964, and these work really well, and they're sure to delight. Little things that 964 people will know all about this, but if you're new to it, these have got the ABS brakes, revised suspension and handling, power steering, fully electric top, one touch top, and improved heating and ventilation. And if you want something that no one else has, 30,000 mile 964, take real good care of it, because it's always enjoyed a nice life and it really deserves to continue. Very special car.